Good evening, everyone. Myself Yashwant, and you all are watching Border News Mirror. Prime Minister Narendra Modi, during his visit to Siwan district on Friday, inaugurated and laid the foundation stone of multiple development projects while launching a fierce political attack on Congress RJD alliance. He flagged off the Vande Bharat Express between Patliputra and Gorakhpur. He also inaugurated the new Vaishali railway line project worth over 400 crore rupees and launched a new train service on the route. To address pollution in the Ganga and improve the urban amenities, the Prime Minister inaugurated six sewage treatment plants under the Namami Gange project worth over 1800 crore rupees. He also laid the foundation for the water supply, sanitation, and STP projects worth over 3000 crore rupees in multiple Bihar towns. Boosting the state's power infrastructure, he laid the foundation of a 500 megawatt hour battery energy storage system to be installed across 15 grid substations, including Muzaffarpur and Siwan. The system will help to avoid the expensive peak hour power purchases by feeding the stored energy in the grid. On the housing front, the Prime Minister released the first installment of over 53,000 beneficiaries of Pradhan Mantri Awas Yojana and conducted a symbolic inaugural ceremony of 6,000 new homeowners. Addressing a public meeting, he said, leaders of the world see India as the next economic superpower and Bihar will play a major role in this. Lashing out at the opposition, he accused the Congress and RJD of being anti Bihar and anti investment. He said they looted so much that poverty became Bihar's misfortune, but Modi is not the one who becomes quiet after doing so much work. I have to do a lot more for Bihar. Those who brought Jungle Raj to Bihar are looking for an opportunity to repeat their old deeds somehow. You have to be very cautious for the bright future of your children. People who are ready to put the brake on the journey towards prosperous Bihar have to be keep at all these things away. So these people used to raise slogan of remove poverty, but the NDA government made this thing possible after you voted for us. For your children's future, keep such forces away. The NDA government has provided over 1.5 crore homes with electricity and water connection, built 50,000 kilometers of rural roads, and set up more than 50,000 common service centers. He concluded by reaffirming his commitment to continue working day and night. He said, I will not sleep peacefully till every family member of mine, my people of Bihar, lives with dignity. For all the latest updates, keep watching and stay connected with BNN.
भारत माता की भारत माता की भारत माता की रउआ सब लोगन के प्रणाम करतानी बाबा महेंद्रनाथ बाबा हंसनाथ सोहगरा धाम मां थावे भवानी मां अंबिका भवानी प्रथम राष्ट्रपति देश रत्न डॉक्टर राजेंद्र प्रसाद और लोक नायक जयप्रकाश नारायण के पावन भूमि पर रउआ सबके अभिनंदन करतानी बिहार के राज्यपाल श्रीमान आरिफ मोहम्मद खान जी, यहां की जनता की सेवा में समर्पित मुख्यमंत्री श्रीमान नीतीश कुमार जी, केंद्रीय मंत्रिमंडल में मेरे साथी जीतन राम मांझी जी, गिरिराज सिंह जी, ललन सिंह जी, चिराग पासवान जी, रामनाथ ठाकुर जी, नित्यानंद राय जी, सतीश चंद्र दुबे जी, राजभूषण चौधरी जी, बिहार के उप मुख्यमंत्री सम्राट चौधरी जी, विजय कुमार सिन्हा जी, संसद के मेरे साथी उपेंद्र कुशवाहा जी, बिहार बीजेपी के अध्यक्ष दिलीप जायसवाल जी, अन्य मंत्रीगण, सांसद और विधायकगण और मेरे प्यारे बिहार के भाई और बहनों, सीवान की ये धरती हमारे स्वतंत्रता संग्राम की प्रेरक स्थली है। ये हमारे लोकतंत्र को, देश को, संविधान को ताकत देने वाली भूमि है। सीवान ने राजेंद्र